Hey, what's up guys? Nick here with Hodgepodge Tech, bringing you my thoughts and opinions on the Ajazz AK33 RGB I picked up on massdrop.com. This keyboard, surprisingly, for the mere $50 is well worth the money if you ask me. I'm really enjoying the small form factor and the amount of room it leaves me with on my desk, not to mention the killer lighting. This keyboard is based on the 82 key layout, which is a bit harder to find aftermarket keycaps for. However, these keycaps are made of ABS plastic and can be modified pretty easily. Ajazz offers the AK33 in your choice of Zorro Black or Blue switches with Cherry MX stabilizers. The key switch I chose to go with was the Zorro Black, which feels pretty close to the Cherry MX Red in my old Corsair Vengeance K70. You'll also find that the AK33 has an aluminum base plate that does a great job of reflecting the lighting, making it appear more vibrant. Here is a size comparison from a full-size gaming keyboard to the tenkeyless AK33, and also a sound test between the Zorro Blacks and the Cherry MX Blues on the Roccat Rios MK Pro. The AK33 comes with rubber pads on all four corners and two rear fold-out feet that also have rubber pads. The backplate of the keyboard is gloss black, which everyone knows is a fingerprint magnet and might as well be a mirror. On the back you'll find a mini USB port to connect the AK33 to your computer. The cable that comes with the keyboard is about 5 feet long and is a normal rubber coated cable. The F keys also second as media keys when paired with the function key, giving you all your basic audio functions. Now sit back and enjoy the light show. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? The Ajazz AK33 is a good keyboard. I mean, it all comes down to really what you're looking for out of one. I mean, for 50 bucks, it's not gonna be perfect. I mean, it's got an aluminum construction, it's durable, it's sturdy, it's got decent switches, they're not perfect. Good lighting control. I mean, for 50 bucks, it's hard to beat. I give it my thumbs up, you know? I mean, I think it's a pretty dang good keyboard for what it is. That's pretty much all I got to say about it. Thanks for watching guys, and be sure to like the video. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more content in the future, and be sure to drop a comment in below letting us know what your thoughts are and if you have any requests for future videos. Other than that, thanks, and we hope to see you in the next one, guys.